Blockchain technology is being used to modernize the Stock Connect system of the Hong Kong Stock Exchange, which connects with Hong Kong stock markets with those in mainland China. In order to conduct post-trade workflows and lower settlement risk, smart contracts will be included into the improved Stock Connect, codenamed Synapse according to a press statement. A technical pamphlet explains that Synapse is capable of simultaneously creating settlement instructions for all parties involved in the settlement chain, facilitating concurrent processing as well as providing nearly instantaneous status updates to all parties involved in the trade, which is important when bringing together traders in two different markets. In the first half of 2023, the Stock Connect's average daily turnover reached $15.302 billion, a rise of 50% from 2020 levels and a growth of 5% from the previous year. The Australian Financial Review stated last year that the ASX in Australia has been recommended to use blockchain technology to replace its settlement system known as CHESS. Synapse is scheduled to launch in Hong Kong on October 9.
The share prices of Bitcoin miners Marathon Digital, Riot Platforms and CleanSpark saw little uptick on October 4th as a result of robust September output growth. Despite Bitcoin's price seeing another month of sideways movement and remaining stuck between the $25,100 and $28,500 level, the company's balance sheet also improved. Marathon Digital, a Bitcoin mining company, generated 1,242 Bitcoins in total in September, a significant 245% rise over September 2022 and a 16% increase from August. According to Marathon September data, the company's installed hash rate increased by 508% from 3.8 exahashes per second in September 2022 to 23.1 exahashes per second. According to Google Finance, the company's share price gained 3.29% to $7.54 on October 4th. Riot Platforms, a Bitcoin miner, raised its monthly Bitcoin output by 9% and generated 362 Bitcoin in September despite strategically curtailing mining operations. Google Finance data shows that on October 4th, Riot's share price grew by 3.25% to $9.06. According to CleanSpark CEO and President Zach Bradford, the firm had its highest performance to date with 643 Bitcoins created in September and 6,903 Bitcoins produced during the course of the company's fiscal year, which ran from October 1st, 2022 to September 30th, 2023. According to Google Finance, the share price of CleanSpark gained 4.61% to $3.63 on October 4th. One of the few companies which declining Bitcoin output in September was Bit Digital, which also announced results on October 4th. It recorded a 7% decline from 130.2 Bitcoins.
Singapore-based DBS Bank, a regional banking behemoth, holds all three licenses required to clients buy a traditional securities using stablecoins. But it isn't doing so yet, even as competitors move ahead. The only other entity that holds all three licenses in Singapore, Metacomp, the first to let their clients pay for securities with their crypto holdings, albeit by first converting the stablecoin to fiat. Marina Bay Sands headquartered banking behemoth's digital assets head, Evie, when asked why DBS hadn't entered this crypto triathlon, said, "It's still winter, we have been swimming." Maybe it's fair to suggest we are not going as deep as some of the very focused players, but we are still doing a lot getting our hands dirty for the long run. DBS, a major player in China, Hong Kong, Indonesia, and South Korea, is the leading financial institution in the region. If digital assets were a triathlon, it may not be reigning champion, but it sure knows how to win. Given crypto's volatility, DBS brand recognition as the safest bank in Asia for 14 consecutive years makes every step it takes towards crypto a giant step towards legitimacy for the space. DBS started its digital asset platform, DBS Digital Exchange, in 2020, Evie said. "We got into things early, not to run sprints, but to see how things evolve," she said. In a panel at Token 2049, she revealed that digital assets under custody at DBS grew around 150% year-on-year as of the end of second quarter. For comparison, Bitcoin and Ethereum prices rose 50% and 80% respectively in the same period, according to CoinMarketCap. DBS' largest and controlling shareholder is the Singapore government-owned Temasek Holdings. That's it in today's special segment. For more such updates, follow 3.0TV or log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code to know more.